Want to remove a green screen background in your video using CapCut PC? Here's the fastest way to do it. Start by opening your project and dragging both your main video and your green screen clip into the timeline. Place your main video on the bottom track and the green screen clip on the track above. Resize or reposition the overlay if needed. Now click on the green screen clip to open the right side menu. Scroll down until you find the Chroma Key option and click on it. Next, use the color picker tool and click directly on the green area of your clip. CapCut will instantly detect the color and remove it. Adjust the intensity slider to clean up leftover green edges. You can also tweak shadow or feather for a smoother blend into the background. Play the preview, and if everything looks good, you're done. Your subject should now appear cleanly over your background without the green. And that's how to remove a green screen in CapCut PC. Like and follow for more quick editing tutorials that actually work.